Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey girl, welcome back to another episode of Hair and Heart Talk with Des, sponsored by BeautyExchange. Today we're going to be talking about Outre's Perfect Hairline-Swoop Series, and Swoop 17 is the unit in the color Cherry Crush. This unit has 9 other colors, but we'll get into that in a minute. This is what the wig looks like before I put her on. Those little hairs you see there are the little side bangs. This is a full lace frontal. No C, no T shapes today, unless you want to make one. That's the beauty of having a full frontal. You can do whatever part you want, and you don't have to have a part. By the way, today's Heart Talk is going to be about figuring out your personal style. So stick around, and this is a HD lace. That's why it looks light, but once you put the makeup or whatever you put on it, it will blend right in. For me, I'm putting Ruby Kisses on my lace, and let's just rip this off because it's time. It's time for the wig review. It's time for the install. I'm not even about to keep playing with my edges, so let me go ahead and get my lace remover out, rub it in, rub it in. Oh, you see how fast that? I be telling y'all that junk comes off so fast. Don't say I did not tell you, because there's no reason to be bald in the edges if you don't have a hair condition or pregnancy. Otherwise, it's laziness, sis. Okay, be quiet, be quiet. This is my favorite part. I clicked myself out. Okay, I'm done playing. I'm done. It's time to do the wig. I'm being serious. Now, so the wig was able to fit from ear to ear. So I would say it is big girl. Why I always say that? Oh my gosh, we love the big girl. It is big head friendly. Okay, but everyone is welcome. It did fit over my head to the point where I could glue it down without cutting the ear tabs. If I wanted to have extra flexibility or for comfort in general. And honestly, when you do cut them to fit your head better, you have less of a risk of your wig slipping back, because it's not like it's too tight and just hanging on. It's gonna lay exactly where it was. Does that make sense? Let me know. So today I just used Got2b Spray, and I pulled 2 pieces of hair down like their sideburns just to secure my lace. And after I spray it in, I'm gonna lock it in with my lace band. And by the way, you can get all of these products shipped to you, as well as the wig, if you go on my BeautyExchange.com. And if you want to pick it up, just go to your local store. But for my girlies who don't have that luxury of being able to go down there because you don't have one, or you just can't, go online, baby. No excuses. 2026, they done made things so easy. Speaking of, let's get into this heart talk on our personal style. I think personal style is so important, and no matter what age you want to figure it out or try a new one, because it's part of your identity. It's part of who you are. Because when you're young, you know, your parents dress you, or your caregiver, and you're not really choosing your style. Usually when you're young, you know, you want to go to school with 2 left shoes on, a blue sock, and a cheetah tutu. Well, that form of expression is important. That's how we get to know ourselves. That's how we get to start a form of decision making and understanding. Hold that thought. So this is how I drive my wig in the car. I turn the AC all the way up and put my head to the vent. Okay, it works wonders. And if that's too ghetto for you, all you gotta do is just drive a long time, or just leave it on for like 15 minutes. Anyways, like I was saying, it helps you to understand decision making, as well as feeling comfortable in your decision making and your opinions of yourself and your style and how you want to dress and how you choose to look. By the way, if you don't have one of these brushes, get you one. For your synthetic wigs, the wet brushes go through them super good. And this is a different brand, but BeautyExchange does carry wet brushes. But like I was saying, even if you wanted to have red hair, if you wanted to rock a fro, if you wanted to have a rainbow head or a 30-inch bust down, okay, that's part of your expression for you to figure out and nobody else. Unless you want to invest in a personal stylist or someone who helps you with that, I'm all for that. But I said all that to say, if you haven't experienced that, if you haven't experienced wearing and trying the hairstyles and the outfits and the clothes and the makeup looks that you want to, in fear of what other people think, or based on what somebody told you growing up, girl, you gotta do it. I'm gonna tell you why, but let me go over this wig card first, okay? You know what I'm gonna say? Here's an example of all the other colors so you can see visually sometimes, not all of them, but you can get an example of some styles and the other colors that the wig comes in when you look at the wig card. But not too much information, just the details on the wig as far as it being 16 inches. If you were wondering, the fact that it's an HD transparent lace, no, the name, the color, construction. This wig also comes in mulberry, tiramisu, burnt sienna. That sounds ugly, but my sister said the luxury girls will know, so let me know. There's pastel lilac, ginger brown, and hazelnut swirl, girl. You know, I was saying you gotta try it. It's because your beauty and your fashion and your style, as far as hair, makeup, and the way you dress, it is a form of expression of your inward beauty and your mind, something that's beautiful and sacred. And you have to put yourself out there to not care what people think and to truly be your real authentic self and get comfortable in your skin. And if you never do that, you'll never know how to do that. This was something that was very hard and uncomfortable for me at first, but once I did it, it was like, free. I don't have to worry about what nobody thinks. I could do whatever style I want to do. Ask everybody what they thought or their opinion, and then I just started doing it. And now people ask me for mine. See how that works, sis? Set yourself free. And that's today's hard talk. Now let's get into this wig. I was just playing around with her to see which way the hair should fall, and we found a match. This wig was really natural and cute. Yeah, I was feeling myself. I was gonna get to doing a TikTok twerk. And then my neighbor had to just catch me feeling the wig. Sir, come on now. But it's cool. He was like, I know that's wrong. But when I first started putting my fingers through this hair, I was like, this wig is stiff. But after I brushed her out, she was very, very soft, and I was able to keep running my fingers through her. I would still definitely recommend keeping a brush and your purse for her. She might switch up on you. But the lace was good. I'll give the lace a 9. It was very transparent, very pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. It looked like a cute little natural blowout, little silk press. I don't know where the clip went, but I just sprayed some Got2b on my hands and held the back of my hair down instead of using a hot comb, because remember, we're in the car and it really will work the same. But this wig didn't need too much because I was honestly satisfied with it. But if you want a flatter look, just hold it down longer. But yeah, girl, this is pretty much what I ended up with. This was the final look. Let me know what you think. Comment down below, like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you like this wig, you can get her in the link in the description box below, or on mybeautyexchange.com, or in our local beauty exchanges, as well as any other products you see me use. Don't forget to follow our social media so you don't miss out. See you in the next video. Bye!
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.